Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. For all the persons that are new here, my name is Kadrian and I'm a first time mom, and this is Papa. He's 2 months old. In today's vlog I'll be showing you a realistic morning routine of what I do. Yeah, so this vlog, it won't be long. Okay Papa, we see you. All right, let's get straight into the video. Guys, good morning. So I'm doing a realistic day in my life. This is literally how I look when I wake up. I look like a mother. This is the life of a mom. So guys, it was raining. Yes guys, so in the morning I normally take him for a walk. So that's what we're going to do. It's going to be a rainy morning, guys. Like, look at the sky. Guys, it started to rain. Whoa, it's been a rainy week. Woo. I'm tired. We had to run because the rain was coming. I'm tired. Papa is tired. Papa, are you tired? He's tired. We'll catch back up. Oh my god, I'm gonna make some tea for him. I'm gonna show you guys. So now I'm gonna give him tea in the morning now, because he's getting big. Guys, look at that. Guys, I literally just run back up the step because it was raining, and as I sat, guess what it is? The sun is coming out. It's a long day. Alright guys, so when I say realistic video, this is as real as it gets. So I'm just gonna show you guys a few stuff that I got from the Shein buy one get for free and the $50 free allowance. And these are just only the stuff that I got for the baby. I'm not showing you guys what I got for myself. If you want to see what I get for myself, comment down below. I can tell you guys how to get the Shein free items, and I can also show you guys in another video. But I got these for Papa. So this is the first one. This is a sweater. When I say the materials are really good, it's really good. So this is size 6 to 9 months. So I got them all because right now Papa is only 2 months and he's wearing 3 to 6 months. So I sized up and got 6 to 9 months because I know by 3 to 4 months he'll be fitting these. I also have it in black because the time is getting cold, so we need to keep him warm. So I also have matching sweatpants that I have in another free package that I should collect for him. But I'll do an unboxing when I pick up those. And I also have it in white. There it is. And guys, the materials are really good. I can show you guys up close. It's really thick, it's really good. I also got this. God got me my peace, my joy. and it comes with a matching bottom, matching shorts for him. I also have this. Happy with this matching shorts. And guys, if you ever know what happened is, when you're getting free stuff, you tend to don't realize what you're getting. I end up ordering a separate or a duplicate one to this, so I have another one. Yeah, and I also have another one of this. I also got him this sweatpants. So this is how it looks. I wish it was thicker, but then when I look at it, I'm like, I don't wish it was thicker, because you can wear it at any time. So it's like a jogger set for baby. This is the fit. Like, just imagine this cute little body in this. It's gonna look so adorable. And his aunt got these. I love it. His auntie got him this. That does it do. And in my big bro era. So these are all his new stuff. Well, some of his new stuff. And I'm going to wash these along with his dirty clothes that he has. And guys, can you believe today is Thursday and we washed Monday? Yeah, and he has so many dirty clothes. Baby clothes are always dirty, so we're gonna go straight into getting these washed. Alright guys, so to wash the baby clothes, I use the Moon for delicate clothes and fabric wash now, and I use the Suavitel baby rinse to rinse his clothes. Using this because it makes the baby clothes smell really good, and it's also set for sensitive skin, so it doesn't affect his skin. Guys, as I said, I'm giving you realistic and soap. As me spread out the baby clothes, the rain come down, and it not even drizzle or give a hint, it just come down pouring. I'm going to let them just spread out literally all the baby clothes, and the rain, it came with breeze. Oh my god, I'm exhausted. Like, the rain never offered me so. The rain never offered me so bad. The rain could have given me hints. It could have told me, say, me I come. The rain, you see you? They never offered me so. Guys, I'm soaked. This is how heavy the rain is. It's pouring. I'm trying not to. It's pouring. Like, it gave no hint. The sky just get black out of nowhere and the rain just come down. Like, why? Here, there. Watch Wicked. When I see that, and I say, analyze me, I tell us the rain come down hard. John, my drone. Like, it's pouring. I'm soaked. Guys, this is what's postpartum. Like, I didn't lose any hair during pregnancy, and when the baby born, my ear drop out. Like, I have no edges, so I have to be working on it. But guys, I'm so tired. I'm gonna take a shower and lay down with Papa, because I don't know why I was tired today, why I choose to wash out the clothes, and I was going to do them yesterday, and no rain fall yesterday, and the rain decided to fall today, right as me could wait or give me an hint say me go fall, I make me no bother wash. Wicked. But I'm glad for the rain still. I don't like the fact that it wet the baby clothes. My mom have to go rewash them because it come down so hard I could stop the rain from touching the clothes. So I'm gonna have to do those all over again. The life of a mother. Look how the rain a fall and the sun a shine. What? Throughout all of this, Papa is sleeping. He's enjoying the weather while his mommy is so sleep, baby, sleep. Alright guys, so I try give him tea and him warm me him tea. So if don't want the tea, what I make? He wants him breast. But let's take it out. Why you behave so? Yeah. Guys, wanna hear him? Yeah, my life. Like why my behave so? Yeah. No. You're handsome. You're kind. You're humble. Alright guys, so I just had my cup soup and I'm just gonna go ahead and spend the rest of the day with my baby. And this is where we're going to end the vlog. But thank you guys for watching. I do hope you enjoy. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And let's chat in the comments down below. Have a great one. Bye.